And we're back online.
Yay!
Online. What is this, the 90s?
Yeah.
Our AOL account. We're going floating.
Yep, so Ryan got the stuff for the GoPro. I don't know, it's somewhere over here.
Here.
And we got a memory card, so we're back in action. And Aubrey has Airhead somethings. They're filled with something. I don't know.
And she had 7 tacos this morning too.
Yeah.
They didn't have 7, you jerk.
Well, it was practically 7.
7. Yeah. She ate some of ours.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
really good. You guys are so
We're not mean.
You just gotta be honest for your fans.
Yeah. People need to know.
Where's Aubrey get all those gains? Tacos and Airheads.
I eat everybody else's food.
It's wide angle, wide angle.
So my wife's driving us to a boutique, and we go to the man's spot. As you look around, there's not a female to be found, just all the men. Miserable as can be. Well, as you can see, we're in the man cave in Sun Room, a woman boutique. This is just a lesson to all you stores: Victoria's Secret, Charlotte Russe, Forever 21, all those stores that you women love to drag us in. If you had one of these man caves, you'd make more money because we'd stay open.
And there's a TV with football.
and free beer.
Double fisting.
Much needed after today.
We spent a lot of time out in the sun. We went floating in New Braunfels, and then we went to Green, and it's just a cute little town, and there's like free wine everywhere and live music and
We got seconds
shopping.
and thirds.
Yeah. Oh, and then the boys got fudge. Yeah, it was a good place to be. And now we're going to San Antonio, and we're meeting our friend Toby at the Riverwalk. We're gonna eat dinner, our second dinner, because we already ate first dinner. And that is all. Brad, do you have anything to say?
What kind of fudge did we get?
Key lime pie.
Key lime pie, butterscotch, peanut butter fudge, pumpkin. Ooh, we got a pumpkin pie one. We got pumpkin pie and
A caramel something.
I don't know. Caramel flavor.
Rocky Road,
Rocky Road.
peanut butter,
Flavor of the month.
which was like a cheesecake one.
Oh yeah, that's good.
See?
That's it.
And then we
Then
ate
you had
protein
margarita
pancakes on
samples
the
too, or
river.
something.
Oh yeah, we ate pancakes on the river. It's a perfect river snack if you're ever looking for one.
And we drank out of a sugar-free
We brought syrup with us, and Brad drizzled some onto his pancake and tube and in his mouth.
and chest.
Yes.
I had a pancake syrup bath.
Pancake bath. Like a piglet. That's all. Why are we mad?
I'm not mad that I'm upset that it's taking so long to get our food. I said I'm not even.
little hungry.
I said I'm not even.
Mad because they got here 30 minutes after us. And I'm
I have to censor out the words, so just say I'm really hungry.
super hungry.
How are you feeling?
I'm mad because Brad gave a family and their daughters a chair, and they already ate and left.
Yeah.
And they were sat after us.
Like 30 minutes.
I am so close to just walking. I'm like this one.
How are you feeling?
I'm not mad. I'm happy you guys are here.
Here's your meatballs.
Meatballs from Shark. They ran out of clams. Half of them was getting the sauce.
So what happened?
At least whenever they screw up royally, they know the way to my heart, which is to make me a dessert platter.
You asked for it.
Okay, I did ask for it. I said, where's the free dessert at, yo?
Ryan's over there still pissed off.
He's breathing heavier though, so I think he likes the food.
Might try.
Sabrina didn't even get to eat because there were no clams.
It's the food god telling me not to eat pasta.
No.
I barely fit in these shorts.
So we're gonna go get her In-N-Out burger.
And we might get something too.
And now we don't have forks, so we're just staring at the cake.
Really pretty.
Breakfast. This pancake is as big as my hand or my face. And eggs. And grapefruit for her. What are we doing today?
Eating.
Where are we eating?
Here, and then we're gonna work out, and then we're gonna go to Austin, I think. If people get their butts moving.
You know what my grandma just said? She's like, yeah, I called your parents. She's like, I'm just done with them. I'm like, why? And she's like, guys, they don't return my calls, and they went to their medieval stuff yesterday, and they're just so angry because they've been out in the woods all day. And I'm like, oh my god, like Claire.
Ryan can't describe what happened last night because he's gonna get too pissed off. Even as I'm talking about it, his face is like getting red. We went out last night for Italian food and we were super excited. We got our appetizers and those were hot and good. And then about like 40 minutes to an hour later, our our food wasn't here at the table yet.
This was an hour after the appetizers, not even an hour after we ordered. It was like,
yeah, and everybody's like, what's going on? And our waiter had told us 2 separate times that our food would be coming out soon, and we're like, okay, well, where is it? And then
your face got really close to the camera.
sorry. And then the manager came out, and Brad can tell you the rest because I'm a bad storyteller.
Well, how old was the manager?
Like 10. And like 110 pounds.
So the manager was a really, really young kid. Like, no lie, maybe like 23. And I'm not really sure how you become a manager of like a fine dining establishment at that age, but props to him. He must have hustled real hard to get there. But
Free dessert, that's how.
so he essentially, not only did our food finally come after an hour, it came cold and missing stuff. Like Sabrina ordered mussels. Or clams, right? Clams?
Clams.
Yeah, clams with her dish, and they're like, oh yeah, we're out of clams, by the way, so after you just wait an hour and 15 minutes.
So you get pasta.
So you just have pasta.
So she just was like, oh, hell no. And she's like, no, I'm just not going to eat tonight.
Yeah, she's like, I just don't want anything. And he was like, oh,
Okay.
How about a bottle of wine for dinner?
Yeah, he asked if she would like a bottle of wine instead. So, but like there was only like 2 glasses of wine that were drank by 2 people at the entire night at the table. So I don't know why he thought a bottle of wine would be a good idea. But anyways, finally he ended up comping all of the entrees. We still paid for our appetizers, but then he gave us gift cards for the price of our entrees. So
We got double dinner.
yeah, it wasn't bad. Like all in all, 5 people ate for $80.
4 people ate.
That's
More
true.
than
4
me.
people ate. Well, you ate appetizers, so 4.5 people ate for $80, and we all got
You guys still owe me In-N-Out Burger today, by the way. You never
we got like
fed me.
$200 in gift cards. So,
We never fed her,
but
Brad.
yeah. Well, she came home and had a protein shake because she's all about them gains.
That's like nothing. What's she doing?
Oh, don't spill my honey.
Don't spill my honey, honey.
You're spilling it everywhere.
We're getting ready to work
This is
out
our
at this
broken
awesome
fucking
24-hour fitness. It's huge. We're hoping it's not a sport because
Super sport.
a super sport. Sorry.
Waterfall.
Yeah, we just got done at the Waterfalls, and we ate chicken in the car,
50
and
grams of carbs
now we're
real
getting
fast.
carbs. Good to
That's why your
go.
little rice cakes don't compare.
Where are we going?
Ryan, if you're hungry, there's some Quest bars back there too. Okay. We just got done. Are you recording?
Yeah.
We just got done at a really cool 24-hour fitness.
Yeah, it was super clean.
Yeah, it's probably that like everyone that gave this one 3 stars needs to go hang out at Fry Road or Derry Ashford 24-hour fitnesses, and they'll think this is a like I don't even know 5-star facility easily. Because it was actually pretty nice. But now we're going to Congress Avenue in downtown Austin to hopefully get some fat pills.
So what?
Fat pills.
What's that?
Fat food.
That's what we call in the military verbiage donuts.
Oh, I'm down. Like I want brisket, maybe like a quarter pound, but maybe 6.
it look good?
Yes.
How is it?
Oh my gosh.
Legit.
Amazing.
Legit.
Mac and cheese and ribs. Oh dear. Look at that.
You get a close up of
So ready. My gallbladder's not ready for this. Popeye's Roy.
So we're doing the Austin Donut Tour. We're stopping at.
Wait, is this a real thing or did you make it
No,
up?
I made this up. But we stopped at Gordo's Donuts first, and we got a Big Easy, which is a powdered sugar and honey donut. We got a Salty Balls, which is a cream cheese, salted butter, caramel, and dry roasted peanut donut. We got Freebird, which is a cheesecake filling, cream cheese icing, graham cracker crumbles, and fresh berry donut. We got Ring of Fire, which is a chipotle infused brownie batter, chocolate icing, brownie bites, salted butter, caramel sauce, and cayenne candy pecans donuts. And what was the other donut, guys? A Freebird and what? A Blackout, which is a chocolate icing, brownie batter, brownie bites with chocolate chips donut. So, we're about to eat some donuts. And then we're gonna go to Voodoo Donuts.
Yeah.
We got you a donut, and you're gonna eat it.
Oh, you look real good. Okay, put it above your chest now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. I'm gonna send those to you.
You can't see him. It's too dark to see the man carrying the
What is all lit
lantern.
up in that thing?
Oh, that's a real fire going up there.
Oh, really?
No. Are you happy? Because your food's here?
It would have been better if mine came before yours. That's okay, you gotta drive 2 hours.
2.5.
All up in your ear.
We got back about 10 minutes ago. And we're meal prepping real quick because then we have a barbecue to go to at 1 o'clock at Nor and Caddy's house.
But it sounds really like it's thundering and lightning, so I'm probably going to text him and see if it's an outside barbecue or an inside barbecue.
Either way, we feel like we need a vacation after our vacation.
To sleep.
Yeah, we need some rest. And we're excited to work out later. Or at least maybe I am. I have a lot of like energy to burn off. Yay. Did you have fun though, babe?
I did. I had a lot of fun. I'm just tired now.
What was your favorite part?
Floating down the river was fun, and McKinney Falls or whatever was really, really cool.
Yeah.
So the outdoor water activities were fun. I just like being outside with water.
Yeah. I missed being outside. You know, Houston doesn't offer a lot of that, so.
Not outside with water.
Right. Yeah, that's
Because
true.
outside here is just so hot, so
Yeah.
you need that water to cool off.
Yeah, for sure.
But and then we had the tons of donuts. So that's obviously
So
fun.
many donuts. What was I gonna say? Oh, I know what I was gonna say. It was just super nice to spend time with people without having to like drink. You know, I don't know. In the past, I think we've done that before. Brad and I have, you know, drank with friends, and that's kind of how you have fun. But it was nice to
It's a
not.
long time since I drank it.
Yeah, right. It's been a while, but it's nice to know that you can still like laugh a lot and have tons of fun and not have to sacrifice in that realm and just drink. So. That corner of my You're so cute.
Yeah. Double chin.
For all those donuts?
Yeah. We have the biggest brat of all.
Nope.
He's a diva this morning.
Nope.
Yeah.
I have my food,
Straight up diva.
and they do not have their food. So I'm gonna do the nice thing and eat while my food's hot.
No.
Hey, open your mouth. Just open your mouth for the camera. Food rape.
I'm afraid to even go to sleep. Like, what you gonna put in my mouth?
Just let it happen.
Weirdo.
Just let it happen.
I don't.
Brad, eat your
You're
donut.
such a donut raper.
What did you wear in the shower, Sabrina?
I saw that Snapchat.
What?
She wore socks in the shower. Like just
She wore socks
soaking up
because she
that
forgot
cess
shower
pool.
shoes. There's hairs in
Remember
the,
when
in
you
the,
offered
in the
her
drains.
flip-flops?
It's so gross.
And she was like,
I
no,
can't
I don't
do
need it.